Okay, we're going to do number 39 without using the calculator. So we got ECS Junior took a practice ACT. Their scores were normally distributed with a mean of 20. So we're going to just draw this out. To me, I think a lot of people like drawing it out. So we got a mean of 20 and a standard deviation of 2.5. So we're going to have three numbers to the right of the mean and three numbers to the left of the mean. Okay, so you know if we go to the right, our number's going to get bigger, so we add. So 20 plus our standard deviation of 2.5. And let me show you. So it'll be 20 plus 2.5. That's going to give us 22.5. And then, then we add 2.5 to our 22.5. So let's see. Add that plus 2.5. So 22.5 plus 2.5 gives us 25. And then we're going to take our 25 and add 2.5 more. So we hit plus 2.5 and we get 27.5. Okay, so we know we're getting bigger this way. Now we got to go to the left. So we know we're going to get smaller, so we're going to subtract. These here we added each time. So we subtract. So we take 20 and this time we're going to subtract 2.5. So 20 minus 2.5 and we get 17.5. And then we pick up our calculators. 17.5 minus 2.5 and we get 15. We subtracted that time, we getting smaller. We're going to take 15 and subtract it from 2.5 minus 2.5 and we should get 12.5. Okay, let me do my little, if I can get it correct, kind of get it there. Okay, so I know this is my mean. Okay, and I'm going to put my percentages in here in a second because the percentages are very important. So here in the middle we should have 34. Then we have 13.5 on both sides. Then we're going to have 2.35. 2.35. And then the last one is 0.15. 0.15. Okay, so let's look what it asked us. So it says, what is the probability that a random selected student would score more than, so more than means it's getting bigger. So that's going to go to the right. More than 23. So we got to come here and look for 23. Well, 23 is not listed. So what we have to do is kind of estimate where it will be. So we got 22.5, and so we know 23 will be about here. So if we look here, we already know it's going to be this part already, and that's the 2.5. And then, because if we would just, I guess, let me let you see this part, right? So if we would add up from here, and I like to put my shade up because I wanted y'all to see this. So if we would add up this part here, just that part, we would get 13.5 plus 2.35 plus our last one here is 0.15. 0.15. And that would give us about 16%. And so, we don't need quite the whole 16%. So we're estimating somewhere about 12 to 14% is what it would be. So, you can try these that way, or you can do them with the calculator, whichever way you like better.